Stylogeeklife.
Without travelling available, many of us must find it hard to find things to do. So how about picking up climbing as a start? There are two types of climbing to choose from, bouldering as well as top rope or auto belay. One key difference is that you do not need a harness or rope for bouldering, but you do need them for top rope or auto belay. Bouldering will be more suitable for those who are afraid of heights, as bouldering walls are about 4 to 5 meters high, and you have to learn how to take safe falls onto a thick, padded mattress at the base of the wall. Top rope climbing, on the other hand, is not for the faint-hearted, as it's about 10 to 15 meters high, depending on the place. You will hence need to wear a safety harness and be accompanied by a certified belayer or instructor in order to climb. Then you must be thinking if your regular sportswear could work. First, females are advised to wear long pants to protect your modesty. For guys, knee-length pants should be sufficient. Shorts are not recommended to protect your legs from abrasion. If you'd like to get your own climbing gear, you could of course visit Campus Corner. You can get your own climbing shoes as well if you prefer that over renting them. Do note that climbing shoes are meant to be tight and uncomfortable. Another option for basic climbing supplies is Decathlon. For a beginner like me, the range and price offered at Decathlon suits me the best. If hygiene is of top priority to you, I would recommend that you get yourself a pair of climbing shoes, a chalk bag, as well as harness. Some of the shoes seems a little bit worn off even though they are new. This pair is newer, and according to climbers, this rubber quality is good enough. So what should you pack if you are climbing for the first time? Bring sufficient water to stay hydrated during the climb and also after the climb. Bring a towel too to minimize the amount of sweat that you will leave in the gym. That would stink. Also, a pair of socks to go with your climbing shoes, which you will rent at the climbing gym. Do remember to bring a set of clothes to change into, as you will be sweating a lot after the climb. Plus, there will be chalk powder left on your climbing clothes. Bring your own chalk bag and chalk as well for hygiene purposes. So what are some of the good places to start off as a beginner? Climb Central is pretty accessible and easy and manageable for any beginner. However, do make an early appointment to ensure a slot. The Rock School is another place to consider for beginners, as it is really highly manageable with the fact that it is catered more for kids. And lastly, if you are keen into bouldering, do try out BFF Climb. Do note that no other shoes other than climbing shoes are allowed in the climbing gym. Also, do pay attention to the safety briefing and guidelines placed within the gym. Other than that, you're all good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Stylogeeklife.